Hi, this is Jeff Hicks. Today I want to show you a little known tool that ships with Windows 7. It's also included in Windows Server 2008 R2. But this is a nifty little tool that I think you and your users can find helpful in documenting a problem so that you can better understand what the user is experiencing. This is called the Problem Steps Recorder. Now, unfortunately, there is no menu choice and there's no icon. There's nothing that will give this to you right away. The best thing to do is just come to the search box and type in PSR, Problem Step Recorder, and you'll get this little dialog box. Now I'm going to pretend that I'm a user here, and I'm going to start a recording, and this will now record everything that happens on my desktop. So it's recording, and I'm going to pretend I have a problem with Notepad, that whenever I run it, I don't see it. I don't know where it is. It's down here at the bottom, but I don't know why it always shows up as minimized. That's not too useful, says the user. So they might then say, I clicked on that and I ran Notepad, but it didn't happen. But if I go to the command prompt, then that works. And in fact, they can come here and they can say, add a comment and say, it works when I run Notepad from the shell, and then they can highlight whatever they want, something that indicates what I should pay attention to. Click OK. And they can step through as much of the problem as they want. When they're done, we click on Stop Record. I'm now prompted, and I'm going to save this on, because the user might do this, I'm going to save this on a network share, core DC01, help desk. I'll put it there, and I'm going to call this client 1. No, we'll call it client 1 problem. Let's do that. So now if I look at this problem, and there's also a possibility here, you can come here and do send email to recipient. This would then fire up the default mail client and automatically attach that file so you could email it off. I'm just going to now open that file so you can see exactly what we were going to get from the help desk side. It gets packaged as a zip file. This is stored as an MHT file. So when I launch this, it opens up in Windows Explorer. I'll make this full screen here. There's the recorded steps. And now what I have here is a screenshot of everything that I did. And there's also notes about every mouse click and keyboard movement, so I can walk through and see exactly what the user did to duplicate their problem. So this becomes very useful when troubleshooting and trying to understand what the user did, what they clicked, what they didn't click, what keyboard entry they put in. All very useful stuff. And this is free. This is the Problem Steps Recorder that ships with Windows 7. Again, to get to it, you'll need to come here and run PSR. And I hope you found that useful, and hope you'll read the article and learn even more about this great little tool.